I'm making treats and candies. It's Christmas time. Folks are making fudge and cookies and everything that's sweet. It's the time for family and cheer, but most of all to celebrate a special birth. Folks, Merry Christmas from your friends, the Homestead, and Happy New Year. It's Christmas time in the mountains, folks. I'm making treats and candies. It's Christmas time. Folks are making fudge and cookies and everything that's sweet. It's the time for family and cheer, but most of all to celebrate a special birth. Folks, Merry Christmas from your friends, the Homestead, and Happy New Year.
Hello folks, we're going to be fixing us a cookie tonight, hopefully. Last year we had good luck with the crinkle cookies. Anyway, it's real simple. Use just one thing of Cool Whip or whipped topping. This is on sale. One cake mix of your choice. One egg. You can put chocolate chips. This here is just the base. Let's set this to the side. Whatever cake mix you want, this is just the base. We had real good luck with it last year. Now this year may be a flop because I'm going to try something this year. I'm going to drain these cherries. We're going to mix that in there. Carolyn and Dan, they love chocolate covered cherries. And we're going to fix some kind of cookie. It's sort of like that this year. Or at least it works out in my head. I've told you folks for a long time, just experiment, play with the food there. If it sounds good in your head, give it a try. Worst can happen, we can fail. Let's get started. First thing what I'll do, I'm going to drain these and I'm going to chop them up a little bit finer. And then we'll add them in. We'll get this mixed up good and then we'll just sort of fold these in. I don't really want them tore up bad. Let's get started, folks. Alrighty, you can see here, I bought the sliced ones. I drained them. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut these up a little bit more so they go just a little bit further. Alrighty, folks, hopefully you're seeing all this here. Pouring in our cake mix. We're going to set this to the side now. Throw it away. We're done with it. Now, what we're going to do, we'll go ahead and add our egg in there. Alrighty. Hopefully you're not hearing the Christmas songs in there it's playing. I'd hate to get a copyright strike against us. Now, we're going to add in, let your Cool Whip fall out. And sugar, I don't think they's hearing it. Hopefully. Pour this in. By the way, folks, have your oven preheated 350 degrees. If memory serves me right, I think we cooked these for about 12 minutes. And now these here's a completely different thing. I've got the cherries over there cut up a little bit finer. I drained them good. Hopefully it won't add too much moisture to this here. Now, also, I forgot to tell you, you ain't got to do this part. We'll get us a little bit of powdered sugar out. And, Sugar, you going to save this Cool Whip bowl?
Yeah.
Future Tupperware, folks. And I'm going to get a baking sheet out, put parchment paper on there. I like parchment paper. Okay. Now, like I said, what we're going to do, We'll mix this up a little bit first before we add in our... Do it on low. We don't want to make a mess. Wait. This may save my butt right here, folks. Hopefully. Well, Doug, Carolyn's done hoodoo. She's unplugged the mixer on us. How come you unplugged the mixer on me, Shug? Now, let me get us a spatula. Get it down off the sides. Alrighty. Now, what I'm going to do, we'll knock this down a little bit right here. You seeing this, hopefully? Alrighty. Like I said, I just kind of worried. Never made these before. Just happened to think about it. Hopefully it won't get the batter too liquidy. If it does, we'll let you know. Let's place this down in here. Lock that in. We don't need to have no accidents. Alright. Turn that on low just real quick there. Alright. I believe it's pretty much, they're all mixed in there now. Alright, let's give this a try. Drop it down in there. What we'll do, we'll try some of them with powdered sugar and some of them without. And you could always place this in the refrigerator, chill it just a little bit. Probably what we'll do here, while these ones are cooking, we'll place it in the refrigerator. And hopefully they're good, folks. We'll see. I know last year, now we didn't do no cherries, but these cookies was pretty darn good. Or I thought so. Hopefully they wasn't lying to me, folks. Can you believe it's already this close to Christmas? You all will be seeing this Thursday morning, the 19th. Alrighty, I'm going to place these in the oven now. We're going to try 12 minutes, take a look, see what they look like. I'll be right back, folks. Let me wash my hand off here. We don't want to get in too big of trouble. Alrighty, I'm going to place this here in the refrigerator, let it chill a little bit, and we'll be back, folks. We'll show you what they look like. I guess we have to put it on the back porch refrigerator. Alrighty, folks. Let me see if still, yep, you should be able to see them. that's after 12 minutes. I got them out of the oven there. I'm going to set these to the side and take my other pan. I ain't going to bore you. I'll go ahead and get those others put on. We'll let these cool, and then we'll have a taste test. Hopefully they're good. Alrighty, folks. They're done. Shook, Dan, give them a try.
All right.
Careful, they may be on the frail side. They're still a little warm.
Delicious. That is delicious. Good. Delicious.
Well, folks, they said they're good. Hopefully they are. Let me get one, try it. Like I said, I had never had one. Not bad. I'm not big on chocolate covered cherries. Those two are the ones that's
Yep.
big on them. Just give me a good old chocolate chip cookie. Now these was good last year, chocolate chips in them also.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Sorry, folks. Alrighty. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Stay safe. And we'll be seeing you tomorrow. And this weekend, we've got an open collab with Debbie's Kitchen. And we'll be working on that there. It is Saturday, isn't it, Shug?
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty.
A winner.
First day of winter. Great day.
If anybody wants to join.
Anybody wants to join? Carolyn will leave the link in the description. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Stay safe. God bless.
Folks, thank you for watching and hope you have a blessed day. Stay safe and we will be seeing you soon, Lord willing. Folks, thank you for watching and hope you have a blessed day.